Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit. So to call voice assistant we need to use touch controls, what located at the back side. So right here, as you can see, we have BELKIN and this one is touch areas. What you should do is to press and hold at your right or left earbud. Press and hold. As you can see, Google Assistant awake. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini. Now let's check the left one. Is it work? And it also works. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!